Hey guys, Pierre again. So I went ahead and made some adjustments to the pulleys, or at least the belt mounts on the x-axis, and I'm talking about these little guys right here, the blue part I'm tapping. I just adjusted the height so that the belt is parallel with the rail here. So the new files have been uploaded, but today we're basically just going to mount 4 of these pieces here. This is what they look like. I'm going to hold them out a little bit so the camera can get this, but you can kind of see what it looks like from the side. And you're going to grab each of these pieces here and mount it on the bottom of the z-axis coupler. Okay, so you can see this picture here shows you how I've mounted one piece. You're just going to mount them again on all 4 corners, and once you have them mounted, you're going to need 4 of these assemblies here. So I don't know what the name of this screw is. Maybe somebody can figure that out. Please post it in the comment section. But they are about 4 inches long and have a little hook at the end. And I'm using these little kind of clamped type metal pieces. I don't know. I have no idea what their name is, but I got them at Ace's hardware store. That's where I got it, Ace Hardware, I think that's how you call it. Pretty cheap pieces. I think they were about 50 cents each. So you're going to need one long threaded hook screw, I guess is what they're going to be called. I don't know. Just walk in the store and ask the clerk, take a picture of these and go to the store and ask them. I'll hopefully post the description once I figure this out. So you're going to need 4 of these, and they also come with these little nuts with little handles on them, so that when you finish mounting the x-axis belt coupler or belt mount, you're going to take this piece and stick it right through the hole opening. Okay, and you can see there's enough play there that it just goes right in, and you're going to take your nut and tighten the back of this screw. I wouldn't fully tighten this yet, because just give yourself about 2 inches of play there, or in this case mine is 1 inch or so. I'm going to go ahead and tighten the opposite side, and when the belt is fully routed, we're just going to go ahead and tighten the screws to apply some tension to the entire thing. Okay, so do the same thing for this side and the opposite side, and that's it. Some of you are probably wondering what this little notch here is on the blue piece. It's there on purpose, because if you modify this piece and remove the little notch, then when the belt is being put in motion, you're going to notice that this piece will go ahead and flex left and right, and that will twist your belt. So the idea here is that as you're tightening the nut back here, right, you're pulling on it, you're tightening this, you need to go ahead and tighten the piece enough such that this little circular section of the thread is not able to freely rotate. Okay, so just continue tightening it, but you do not want to over tighten this, otherwise you'll break the 3D printer part. So this is tight enough. Mine, there's no slack.